Hello students, today we are going to learn another parts of speech, the adjectives. What does it mean? It is a describing word, but to which it describes? It describes about a noun or pronoun. So, to learn about an adjective, you have to clear about the noun. Last class we have already discussed, but still I will repeat it. Simple thing. A noun is a naming word or a name of anything else which we can see, touch, and even we can feel it. That is the noun. Now come to the point. Adjective. How can you know that this one belongs to an adjective? Listen. If the word tells about the size of the noun, the shape of the noun, the color of the noun, the number of the noun, and also the quality of the noun are adjectives. So, for your better understanding, let's take an example. What do you see here? Yes, this is a picture of guava. So look at it properly. Can you tell me, children, is it big or small in size? Yes, it is small. The next, is it round or rectangular? It is round in shape. Very nice. Now, what color is it? It is green. Okay. Is it raw or ripe guava? It is ripe. How many guavas do you see here? Here are 2 guavas. Okay. Now find out the adjectives. In first sentence, you got size of the guava. That is small. Then in second, you got the shape. That is round. In third, you got the color. In fourth one, you got the number, that is 2. Then in last sentence, you got the quality of that guava, that is ripe. So here, if you get the size, shape, color, number, or quality of a noun, that could be the adjectives. Clear? Okay. Now let's talk about the degrees of adjectives, which are used for comparing more than one noun. There are 3 kinds of degrees of adjectives. First, positive degree. Second one, comparative degree. Third one, superlative degree. So, let's talk about the first degree, positive degree. The ordinary form of the adjective. The ordinary form of the adjective is called the positive degree when no change is there. Example, Gopal is a tall boy. She is a good player. Here tall and good both belong to positive degree of adjectives. Then about second one, comparative degree. When 2 nouns or things of the same class are compared, we use the comparative degree. Generally, we use ER to make comparative degree. But if the noun ends with Y, we use IER. Remember, generally we use ER to make a comparative degree. But if the noun ends with Y, we use IER. But in some cases, we get 2-syllable words like beautiful, famous, popular, difficult. In this case, we use more before the noun, like more beautiful, more famous, more popular, more difficult, as a comparative degree. Another important thing is that they always take than after them. Let's take some examples. Mohan is taller than Gopal. Here taller is the comparative degree and we use ER. Then she is happier than me. Here the positive degree is happy and which one ends with Y. So here we use IER as a comparative degree. She is happier than me. Then you are more beautiful than her. Here as I told you, beautiful is 2-syllable words. So here we use more as a comparative degree. Clear? Okay. Then the last one, superlative degree. When one thing is compared with all other things of the same class, we use superlative degree. Here generally we use EST for superlative degree. But if you get the noun ends with Y, we use IEST for superlative degree. And again same thing, if you get 2-syllable words, then there you will use most as a superlative degree. Like most beautiful, most honest, most popular, most harmful. Clear? And here is also a point, children. They always take the before them. Okay? Let's take some examples. Rahul is the tallest boy in our class. Maya is the prettiest girl in our school. Here we use the before the degree, superlative degree. Okay. Then the last one could be, he is the most honest person. Clear? Now let's test your knowledge. Supply the proper form of the given adjectives. Proper form means it may a comparative degree, superlative degree or positive degree. Okay? So first question. May is dash than April. Here is a word hot. Answer me. Do you want to use comparative or superlative? Here one thing is clear, that here in this sentence the word than is there, isn't? Yes. So if you get then it must be a comparative degree. Clear? So hotter. May is hotter than April. The next, he is the dash man in our town. The word is rich. Here the is there. So where there is the, you have to use superlative degree. He is the richest man in our town. Clear? Okay. Next thing, name the dash city in the world. Here is also the. So large becomes largest. Name the largest city in the world. Next thing, she is dash than her sister. Here then is there. So tall becomes taller. She is taller than her sister. Clear everybody? Okay. So that's all for today. Practice the lesson. Keep learning. Thank you.